Industrial air compressors are essential equipment in many manufacturing and processing operations. They are used to power pneumatic tools, control systems, and various machinery. Because of their crucial role in the production process, it is vital to ensure that they are well maintained and repaired promptly when issues arise. Regular inspections, lubrication, cleanliness, filter replacement, and oil analysis are key to keeping the system in good working condition. In the event of a malfunction, identifying the problem, replacing faulty parts, cleaning and servicing, and calibration are necessary for proper repair. By following these guidelines, industrial air compressor systems can be kept running smoothly, reducing downtime and ensuring optimal performance. Call us today for OEM air compressor system parts. We also provide fast, dependable service and repair. 918-727-2166 Air Compressor Repair Tulsa.com